Hello everyone, I'm Gamu, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this checkered wallet. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started. Alright, to start off with the checkered piece, you want to make a slip knot and chain 21. Once you're done, you're going to skip the first chain, which is the turning chain, and insert your hook into the second chain from the hook for a single crochet, and insert your hook again into the third chain from the hook for another single crochet. You want to insert 4 single crochets into the first 4 chains. Once you get to your 5th chain, you want to insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, but don't complete the single crochet. Switch your colors, so take your contrast color and complete the single crochet with that color. And make sure that you drag the color that you are crocheting with along with you as you insert single crochets into the next 4 stitches before you switch them in the 5th. All you want to do is repeat these steps for 4 blocks in total, and I'll see you at the end. Once you get to the end, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work, making sure to drag your contrast color along with you into the new row. You're going to insert 4 single crochets into the first 4 stitches, making sure to skip the turning chain, and in the 5th stitch you're going to switch colors and complete your single crochet with your contrast color. You're going to repeat these steps until the end of the 4th row so that I can show you how to switch colors for the new block. Alright, so for the new block you're going to use your contrast color to complete the single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work, and you're just going to insert single crochets into the first 4 stitches as you've been doing, but now you're going to use your contrast color instead of the color that you were using before. You want to repeat the steps that you were doing for the previous block until you're at the end of row 8, and then you're going to switch colors for a new block. You want to make sure that you repeat this pattern until you have 7 blocks in total, and then I'll see you at the end. Alright, now once you get to the end of your 7th block, you're going to chain 1 and fasten off your work. Also make sure to cut the other yarn, and you're just going to weave in the ends and you're done. And now for the pockets, you want to make a slip knot and chain 20. Once you have your 20 chains, you're going to skip the first chain and single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and you're going to insert a single crochet into each chain for a total of 19 single crochets. once you get to the end, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet all around for a total of 12 rows. Now I'm at the end of the 12th row. I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off your work. Now you want to repeat this for the other pocket, so I'm going to use my contrast color for the other pocket. Alright, for the snaps, I just took some from an old bodysuit, so you can also recycle them or buy new ones, and you're just going to sew them onto the pockets respectively, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, now to join the pieces together, what you want to do is make a slip knot and insert your hook into the top corner of the pocket and the checkered piece, and then just insert your slip knot. And then you're going to pull your hook through the top corner of the checkered piece and the pocket, and then just chain 1, just like that. And you're going to insert 12 single crochets into the sides of the pocket and the checkered piece. Once you're done with the 12 single crochets, you're going to insert single crochets into the 2 blocks of the checkered piece. And then insert 12 single crochets into the sides of the pocket and the checkered piece. And then you're going to insert single crochets all around the pocket and the checkered piece until you get to the end. Alright, once you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch to end off, chain 1 and fasten off your work. Weave in the ends and you're done. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and happy crocheting.